In this section, we'll learn how to create a real mobile app that you can put on the App Store or Google Play with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are a number of obvious benefits to doing this. First and foremost, that you can just develop once and then deploy your app to a number of different systems. It also, of course, allows you to use your HTML and JavaScript skills in app creation without having to learn the specific languages and systems of each different mobile platform. I should say at this point, though, that there are some disadvantages of doing it this way. And although we'll see how to access many of the phone's features, such as the accelerometer and the camera, we won't have access to all of the features that we would get if we were developing the app natively. You also can experience performance issues because you're running effectively a mobile website within your app, so it's not going to be as fast or as fluid as a native app. Having said that though, if you just want to make something pretty simple, or you want to get a demo out there as quickly as possible, then building apps with HTML is a perfectly good option. There are a number of different frameworks and platforms to choose from when developing HTML-based apps, but we're going to focus on two in this section. And the first is app.js, which you can download at code.kik.com/app/2. And this is just a collection of CSS styles and JavaScript functions that make it much easier to make your HTML page look and behave like an app. On that page, you can see a few of the demos. And so here we can change the color of the title bar at the top there. And we can also view lists, buttons, inputs, etc. And you can see that it behaves pretty similar to how a mobile app does. It also looks pretty modern and has a style fairly similar to the default iOS stylings. But this is what we'll be using on the HTML side. Then once we've built the app, we're going to be using PhoneGap Build to actually deploy it to a number of different platforms. And I'm going to show you specifically how to deploy to Android and iOS. So PhoneGap Build is free to use for a single app, and you'll be able to get your app not only on iOS and Android, but pretty much every mobile platform that's out there. So it's a really great system, and it also includes a huge range of plugins which allow you to do a number of specific things on particular devices and use the particular phone features such as camera, accelerometer, etc. So there's a whole new world opening up to us here, and we're going to start looking at app.js in the next video.